Hi, in this video we will learn about typecasting. Typecasting is a way to check the type of an instance or to treat an instance of some class as an instance of some other class. The two operators that are used to perform typecasting are is and as. Is used to check if the type is of some class, it will return boolean, and as is used to treat an instance of some class as an instance of some other class. Question mark after as is used to treat it as an optional, and an exclamatory mark is used to forcefully unwrap the optional value. Now we'll see a practical implementation of typecasting. In the first line, we have declared a variable x with value 1. After that, in the second line, we have declared a variable y of any type with value 2. After that, we are using the is operator to check whether x is a string. If x is a string, then this will enter the if condition and it will print the value of x. Otherwise, it will print not a string. Now it is printing not a string. That means x is not a string. Now let us try to convert x to a string and see the result. Now it is printing the value of this x as a string. This is how we can use is operator. After that, we are checking if y can be converted to integer and then it can be stored inside any variable, that is anywhere, using the if let statement. If y can be converted to an integer value, then it will be assigned to anywhere, otherwise it will not be assigned. Now the result for this is it is entering the if statement, that is y can be converted to integer and assigned to anywhere. Now let us try to change the type of y. Like we'll change it from where y of type string. Now it is not entering the if statement because string cannot be converted to an integer. This is how we can use is and as operators for typecasting. Thank you.